everyone! We're excited to launch the Code Synth (JARD) course right here in Abishand Global Solutions Private Ltd. Whether you're in IT, non-IT, a student, an entrepreneur, or a tech enthusiast, this course is designed for you. Glowing star what you learn. Front-end development ** master the essentials of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and explore popular frameworks like React and Angular. Back-end development * get hands-on experience with Python, Java, and MySQL. Modern skills * dive into digital marketing, AI, and prompt engineering to stay ahead in the tech landscape. Books practical assignments. Every week, you'll tackle 2 assignments that will solidify your skills and prepare you for real-world challenges. LinkedIn profile building. We'll guide you in creating a standout LinkedIn profile, enhancing your visibility to potential employers. Certification and interview prep. Upon completion, receive a certificate and participate in mock interviews to boost your confidence and readiness. Job guarantee and Q&A sessions. We offer Q&A sessions to address all your queries, plus our 100% job guarantee ensures you'll find a place in our organization. As our course originally priced at 40,000 Indian rupees, we're now offering a special discount for students at just 25,000 Indian rupees and for others at 30,000 Indian rupees. Limited time offer during our discount period. Don't miss out. Enroll today and take your career to the next level. If you need more information about the Code Synth course or have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at the following contact numbers.